All right, welcome. All right, so Saturday, September 14th, still here. How to watch August supermoon. Well, that one already happened, right? Which kicks off 4 months of lunar spectacles, and we have one coming up, right? So this is interesting. Look at supermoon. Okay, we'll look at the 4 dates. All right, but the first one of the 4, August. Okay, now we have one coming up, September 18th. All right, but look, super moon right here, like Super Bowl. Okay, and the talk that's been trending, right, with Kendrick Lamar, right here, halftime performer for Super Bowl 59 next February will be rapper Kendrick Lamar. But don't you think that's interesting right there with supermoon? And what is a supermoon? Well, let me show you this right here. There are 4 supermoons you see right there. Uh the next occurring September 18th. All right. And you see the first one August 19th, and you see then this next one September 18th, right? And look at October 17th, right? So you see all of those dates right there. Is that more than 4? I don't know. All right. So back over here. All right, let me share this. Oh, this is what I was going to do. Oh, let me read this first. Monday's supermoon, again, the first of 4 this year. During a supermoon, the full moon inches a little closer than usual to Earth. A supermoon isn't bigger, but it can appear that way in the night sky, although scientists say the difference can be barely perceptible. September supermoon will coincide with a partial lunar eclipse. October's will be the year's closest approach, and November's will round out the year. All right. Let's see. What does it say down here? More a popular term than a scientific one, a supermoon occurs when a full lunar phase syncs up with an especially close swing around Earth. This usually happens only 3 or 4 times a year and consecutively gives the moon's constantly shifting oval shaped orbit. And let me go over here. All right, so let me share this. A supermoon occurs, you see right here, when the moon's orbit is closest to Earth at the same time it is full. All right, right there. And there's a few videos that I'll play too. Let me find, there it is right there. I hit that. Back over here. All right, so let's play this. And Greece. I don't know. I'm guessing this may have been the last one. I'm not sure. But let's see. See that? Oh, okay. looks nice, huh? Do we have to question everything? You know, like, is it real? It's probably not real. That looks nice, though. All right. Damn, look at that. All right, let's see. All right. Had to cut the mic off for a second. All right, so hopefully, okay, back. We're good on the mic now. Okay, so then let's see what this is real quick.
The full supermoons of 2024 are here. Starting with the August full moon, we'll have 4 supermoons in a row. Why do we have supermoons? The moon's orbit around the Earth is elliptical, so the moon's distance from the Earth varies. And when a full moon or a new moon is closer than average to the Earth, we have a supermoon. Can you see the difference in the sky? Here's a comparison of a full supermoon, or the biggest, and a full micromoon, or the smallest.
I get it's September 17th, the night into the 18th, the following day.
You can see the difference in photos, but unless you're a keen moon observer, supermoons don't look bigger to the eye. However, supermoons do look a lot brighter. A full supermoon looks about 30% brighter than the year's smallest full moon and about 16% brighter than an ordinary full moon. So in 2024, the full supermoons of August, September, October, and November will look extra bright. Because they're close and full, these 4 full supermoons have the potential to cause higher than normal tides. When are the full supermoons in 2024? They start in August and go through November. The August 19th full supermoon is also a seasonal blue moon. It's the third of 4 full moons in a season. Seasonal blue moons are rare. The next one is in 2043. The September 17th, 18th full supermoon is...
All right, look at this right here. Okay, a harvest moon. Most of the Western Hemisphere will also see a shallow, partial lunar eclipse that...
It's a harvest moon. Most of the Western Hemisphere will also see a shallow, partial lunar eclipse that night.
I just got a little telescope, too.
Then the October 17th full supermoon will be the closest full moon in 2024. Why are full supermoons so popular? Maybe because they are so eye-catching when they are near the horizon. And even better, you don't need dark skies or special equipment to enjoy the beauty of a bright full supermoon. Enjoy!
All right, so wonderful. Now let's go forward. And we do decodes over here. Look at that. So look, moon in the code. You get duality there, 51 and 15. Reverse and reverse reduction with the moon. And look at this, a 51 numerology with the 18th, the 17th into the 18th. With the next one right here, 51 date numerology. Check that out. Harvest moon equals 51. And you get duality again. You see it's it's 150, but it's like 15. And you see why that's amazing? Duality, 51 and 15 moon. Harvest moon, 51 and 15 basically. But it's 150 and it's ordinal reduction. And then you get reverse and reverse reduction. So it's all 4 ciphers being utilized. And those are the ciphers that I use. And look at how it lands. All right. right there. Bam. 51 days after the founding anniversary of NASA. You see that? What would be the odds? And look at the founding anniversary at NASA. Right here. President Dwight D. Eisenhower. Interesting, right? So look, July 29th, that's the founding of NASA. But look at how it leaves 155 days. You see the one in the fives again. And don't forget, this July 29th is Dak Prescott's birthday. He's got the star on the helmet. Dak, another D. Dallas, D. Signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act, creating the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, which became operational on October 1st of that year. Okay, he signed it though, you see right there. Wow, right? Look at that. I mean, for real, Harvest Moon 51, Moon 51. Shout out Richard West, enjoying your videos. I'd have to figure out a way to get a link. I keep forgetting. Shout out to Richard West. He's in the comments. Shout out. He's making videos. And that's the type of videos I like to watch. Just real quick, like, hey, isn't this interesting with these patterns? And look at how these characters with the celebrities are all connected. It's amazing. All right. So again, look, Harvest Moon will be a super moon and a partial lunar eclipse. The next full moon will again be a super moon that will shine for 3 full days and a partial lunar eclipse. And they spelled September wrong. September's harvest moon is again September 18. The partial lunar eclipse will be visible from most of North America during a small window of time. Okay, and let me see. Let's go. I need to put this light on. That's what I need to do. Oops. All right, so this is what I need to do. Okay, so let's share this. What is a lunar eclipse? Oh, it is telling me microphones in use. Okay, that's cool because that's how I know, right? Lunar eclipses occur at the full moon phase when Earth is positioned precisely between the moon and sun. Earth's shadow falls upon the surface of the moon. All right. So back over here. Let's go forward. I still plan on going live sometime. It's just YouTube's hating right now. So I'm like, I'm cool with the videos. Look at this. So this kicked off in August. How to watch. Okay, 4 months. So another 4 months of lunar spectacles. Sky equals 17 like August. Up equals 17. Heaven equals 107 like 17. That's interesting, right? Because a lot of times people could associate up with heaven, whatever, part of the script. And I hope you all enjoy this decode. And again, the 17th. September 17th. And watch, I'm going to catch you by surprise. This will be 224,917 miles away. The next will be nearly 3,000 miles closer the night of September 17 into the following morning. I should say AM. A partial lunar eclipse again will also unfold that night, visible in much of the Americas, Africa, and Europe as the Earth's shadow falls on the moon, resembling a small bite. October supermoon will be and when it gets cool enough, I'm gonna go out and just start. I can't wait to start doing lives when it's cooler. Just get. I'm gonna go out and do some more lives outdoors, outside, anyways. But scientists point out that only the keenest observers can discern the subtle differences. It's easier to detect the change in brightness. A supermoon could be 30% brighter than the average. Okay. But look at his 71 date numerology with the 18th and the 17, 17, 17, 17, 107. That's interesting. And there might be more with that. Those are nice connections though by the numbers. And that's Patrick Mahomes' birthday. And you see he wears the number 15 for the Commander in Chiefs in a selection year. Look at that 15. He's got the September, look, date of birth, September 17th. How about that? How about that? And don't forget, Kendrick Lamar, born on the 17th of his month. That's probably coming up, actually. So, it's all connected, right? So, look, for real, 15. And remember, I don't think I have it in here. Let me see. Yes, I do. His birthday leaves 105 days in the year, like 15. And remember, all like 15 and 51, 51 days after the founding anniversary of NASA, harvest moon 150 and 51, moon 15 and 51, 51 date numerology on the 18th. How about it? And then the 155 with July 29th, and the founding anniversary of NASA, 155 days left in the year. And remember, Travis Kelce, the target for Mahomes, right? His birthday's October 5th, 10/5, like 15 or like 105, right? And October 17, look at this. So supermoon was the August 19, super blue moon, and the rest are on September 18, October 17, and November 15. Look at that. That's Eminem's birthday, October 17, and he's born on the 17th. And remember Lamar Jackson, his birthday is 1/7, quarterback equals 117. How about that? And look, it's saying blue moons. Huh. I remember the Lions wore blue. Who's going to win the Super Bowl? Who knows? Look at that, though. That's amazing, don't you think? I think so. Are we good? Moon equals 21. Founding anniversary of NASA. 211th day of the year, like 21. 211's the 47th prime number. Synced up with D.D. Eisenhower. What about Donald? We have to deal with currently. Donald Trump, 211, the 47th prime. Trump equals 47. D.C. president, White House, Republican, and so on. Shout out to y'all, for real. And look at, he's born in, look, 1958 right there. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act, creating the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. Look at 58. The last Super Bowl we had was 58, huh? That's amazing, isn't it? Because the Chiefs, with the Mahomes connection right here, don't forget his dad played baseball for the Minnesota Twins, and Kamala's running mate synced up with Minnesota, and Twins, like Towers 9/11 energy. Look at his date of birth on the calendar 6 days after that day. And again, we just had the 23rd anniversary, right? So look at that. Positive energy, positive vibes to all of you out there. If you're going to watch this, appreciate y'all. And remember, 2/11 was last year's Super Bowl date. Yes, it was. February 11. Ouch. NASA equals 73 like August. Remember the title, How to Watch August Supermoon, which kicks off for... You see this? USA equals 40. United States equals 40. US equals 40 and 4. Okay. There are 4 supermoons in 2024. The next occurring, you see, September 18. So, like 198. Anyways, you get the 189, you see? Right? The 18th day of the 9th month. And then look at the next date. The 19th day of the 8th month. 198. Okay? Super blue moon. And the rest are on 1-8. Yeah, it's the same thing, right? But look, you see those numbers? And look as we go forward here. There are 4 super moons in 2024. Again, you see that. Look at the 115 right there. That last one. And look at these names. Super Beaver Moon. Look at the Hunter Moon. And remember, that's the president, Joe Biden. That's his son's name, Hunter Biden. Oh, look at Super Sturgeon Moon. They got all these names now. Look at that. Super Beaver Moon. Do I have to go to the calculator? Sturgeon Moon, Beaver Moon. Let's go over here. Okay, let's see. Sturgeon Moon. And okay, look at that. So, but it said super, right? Oh, look, you get 58, like the founding anniversary of NASA. And again, that was last season's Super Bowl date. And the season started this season, the 5th day of the 9th month. You get 59 right there. Let's put super. And the other one's beaver. Let's see. I don't know. 204, like 24. No. So let's put beaver right here. Then we'll move forward. Beaver. I just see some ritual numbers. 81. Ooh, look at that. You get one of the dates here, but is that the right one? Super Beaver Moon. Let me enter that. That's the next one, the 18th day of the 9th month. Let's see. Let's go back to that slide. Let's see. It's the harvest moon. The beaver moon is 11/15. All right, that's okay. Well, 11/15, Mike Tyson. Get it? Like sun, but it's just spelled differently. As we speak of NASA, the moon, Tyson and Jake Paul are going to fight. You see? So you get Eminem's birthday, you get Mahomes. You know what? August 19th is Matthew Perry's birthday. He's been trending a lot. And don't forget about like Luke Perry with 90210, Shannon Doherty. They're both dead. positive energy and positive vibes, though, right? Positive energy, views, more views, good magic. But look at everybody lands here. Um, Eminem, Patrick Mahomes, Mike Tyson, hey, and Jake Paul. I had 198 and then the other one's 189, but you still get the numbers. It's a nice pick, anyways. But you know what? Jake Paul, he's got the same birthday as Michelle Obama. And you know what? That's January 17th, like 17. Remember all the 17 and 71s earlier? Or the 17s, 107s? How about it? I like doing these decodes like this, y'all.
People define supermoons in different ways. One definition of a supermoon is a new moon or a full moon within 90% of its lunar moon on October 17th will be the closest full supermoon for 2024 at 222,055 miles away. A full supermoon probably won't look bigger to your eye, but photographs do detect a difference. And anyone can see that supermoons look brighter. They're some 15% brighter than ordinary full moons, and they're about 30% brighter than a micromoon, the smallest and most distant moon of the year. So whether you live along a coast and enjoy seeing a high tide or just a moon watcher, enjoy the supermoons of 2024. Wishing you clear skies, I'm Marcy Curran for Earth Sky.
I'm thankful to have that video to look at. Let's go back and look at that. Chad McQueen died, huh? Let's go back. Man, look at that. Shout out to y'all. This land's nice. I'm not afraid. And remember, he was synced up with the Super Bowl as well. And I see blue up there. And then I'm like, oh, okay, that's cool. The Lions were blue. I'm just saying. That's interesting. And Kendrick Lamar born on June 17th. And remember Lamar Jackson 1/7, like 17, quarterback equals 117. And that 15 on the jersey right there. Mahomes. Don't forget Warren Moon, I think, was born on a total solar eclipse day. I think is what it. Warren Moon. I think that's what it was called. Yeah. Kendrick Lamar. I saw that coming. Lamar. Remember Rich Homie Quan, last name Lamar, Young Thug, middle name Lamar. All right. That's all I entered. And look, there's some stuff from another decode. Look. You see that right there? I may need that because I may have lost that for the next decode. So what's the next decode? I think it's the Lil Wayne, Kendrick Lamar stories have been going on about the Super Bowl snub. I'm almost done putting that one together. And I think I don't know, there's some, so I didn't enter a lot there. And you see how it landed real heavy 15s, 51s, 107, 17, 71s. What else could I enter? Oh, you know what? Let's go to the calculator real quick. Let's go over here real quick. Maybe real quick. Let's put like Oh, let's put NASA. Look, NASA. Oh yeah, we got that 73. 8. Mm, I don't want to write out the full NASA. What else? I'm trying to think of what else. Cloud. Clouds. No. Air. No. Okay. What does rain equal? Just got duality. Look, God equals 17. And remember heaven 107 like 17. Sky 17. And then whatever else we had. I think we had a couple others earlier. A couple different ones. That's it. That's when it becomes undeniable when this code is discussed right here. It's nobody's opinion. These are facts. Let's see right here. The supermoon rises behind the temple of Poseidon at Cape Sunio. The supermoon rises behind the dome of the rock shrine at the Al Aqsa Mosque compound in the old city of Jerusalem, Monday, August 19th. And that was Matthew Perry's birthday. So I just, yeah, it's just, I'm not saying there's a connection there. It's just all of these celebrities have been talked about recently. There's a Lil Wayne Super Bowl snub up there. That'll be the next decode. All right, so I appreciate y'all. And it is Saturday as we transition into Sunday, right? Whose birthday is today? On the 14th. Jimmy Butler and Ron DeSantis, I think. Yeah. And tomorrow, I'm not quite sure at the moment. Appreciate y'all. Until next time.